Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Last video, I talked about how to set up OPC communication between Schneider PLC and Geo SCADA Expert 2025. Today, I talk about how to configure OPC UA communication between Schneider PLC and the Geo SCADA Expert. I still use the same program, Schneider PLC, okay? And I use OPC UA servers in here, okay? And here is endpoint URL is OPC UA. Now we start Geo SCADA Expert 2025. Okay. Now I already is OPC UA tester. Okay. In here, how to do this one? First, go to OPC UA, go to create new, go to the group. Okay. Create is group. Then I create diet. Create a new group is diet. Okay. Then we choose. In here, we go to create a new, go to OPC UA. We should choose service, subscription, and discover service. Okay. After that, in the diet, we should create OPC UA is analog point, digit point. Okay, I have 3 digit points: start, stop, run. Analog point just a variable one. Okay, similar the last project. Then first we go to discover, new discovery service. We should copy from here. Is OPC UA service, copy here, go to here, then save. After that, go to new service. We choose new service and always here confirm. Then service you choose in here. Okay, new discover service we choose first one. Okay, in here. Then is endpoint. We choose this one. Okay. After that, save. Here is good. Then go to new subscription. In here, it's always is no. It's new service is mark is add. Add is new service. OPC new service. Okay. That's it. Then save. Then go to date. We should first from run. Okay. In here, you can mark is new service is mark always no. In here you should. In here use subscription. New subscription we create is load. Double click here. Oh. Okay. Okay. Here. Okay, wait. In new service, in here, is wrong. New service, in here, we should choose none because we always use none. Okay, in here we choose none. Okay, in here save. Okay. Yeah, go to run. Go to here, you can check. In here, object is DA. Go to Geo. This is my PLC project with Geo. Okay. We choose start. We choose run in here. Okay. We save. Also run, or we don't need to start. Similar service. All of it. No. In here is a new service. In here we choose DA is GO is start. We choose start in here. Okay. Then go to control. We should mark control this to mark. Okay. Is action. We start, stop, save. Okay. And stop. All the similar. Is to choose all of it. Service is mark. Log. Note. We use DA. GO is the stop. Okay. Go to controller. We should mark. In here is action. Is this stop is start. Okay. Run variable. Similar. Is go to DA, go to GO, go to variable. Okay. Okay, we don't need the control. This one we don't need. Okay. That's it. Save. Then we can create in here or not here. We go to here. We can use date variable 1. Okay. In here we use start button. Copy. All this similar. Okay. Is run. We use. Okay. Start. We action. We choose notch. We go to, or we choose notch. Go to flowchart. Is 1. 0. OPC start. What's it? Start. Okay. Then go to pick action. We choose mass. Oh no, here with the mark. Start should be mark. Should be mark here. Okay, save. Stop. Stop. Control. Should be mark. Okay, that's it. So in here. Okay, this one is good. Pick action. We choose mass. Go to here. We choose control. Oh no. We choose control. Okay. It's stop. Go to animation. Go to notch. Go to flowchart. Right click insert. Is true, we choose 0. False, we choose 1 because it's stop. Okay. Then we go to OPC UA type. Go to the stop. Okay. Then go to pick action. Method. Go to here. Stop. Here's controller. Here is the controller. Okay. Then in here we go to animation. We choose color, flowchart. Okay, is true. We choose is true is right. Green. Tiger. OPC tiger. Is wrong. Okay. Okay. That's it. Let me see. It's working. Save. Restart. Look, here's working. Look, here all the similar is the OPC OPC okay? Stop. Okay? That's it. Okay? Today I just show you how to configure OPC UA. The key point, okay? In here, you should have create discover service and subscription, okay? All here is all the similar is OPCDA. Thank you very much.